Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start at the antenna base on the rear or roof, lower the hatch and position yourself for access. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts while you work. Once the battery is safe, unthread the mast base bolts and lift off the old antenna assembly. Hold the rubber gasket and any washers so you don't lose small parts. This step removes the obstruction and exposes the coax connector beneath. Make sure to note how the coax routes before you pull it free. Once the old unit is off, take the new antenna and route its coax exactly like the factory line so signal quality stays optimal. Connect the coax connector by hand to ensure threads align, then give it a slight turn with pliers to secure the connection. Seat the gasket and base plate, aligning the bolt holes. Tighten bolts gradually in a cross pattern so the gasket compresses evenly and seals out water. Make sure the mast is straight and torque bolts until snug but not over-tightened. Now reconnect the negative battery terminal and power up the radio to test reception. You should notice clearer AM/FM signals once the new antenna is seated. Make sure to check for any vibration or water entry after a short drive and retighten bolts if needed. If the radio still lacks signal, verify coax continuity with a multimeter and ensure the antenna ground or common connection is solid. Finally, confirm the gasket seals. If you find a leak, replace the gasket or reseal the base immediately.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.